everybody, welcome back. It's Marcy Life. Today I'm going to be doing my unboxing of the Moterm A7 planner, which I got off of Amazon. It's a popular planner going around. It's about, I want to say it's like $37 depending on which one you get. This is my first time in a pocket planner, and I'm hoping that I like it. If so, you'll be getting more videos on this pocket planner once I set it up. But let's get to the unboxing. So when it came inside of one of those little, let me fix the light here a little bit. There we go. When it came inside one of the Amazon blue and white packages. I cut that open. Then this is what it comes in from the actual company that sells it. And you see it's Moterm. It's the A7, which is the pocket size. And a lot of people get it off of Amazon, or you can get it off of AliExpress. Now, AliExpress will take longer to ship out. Amazon is on Prime, so you can get it the next day or at least 2 days. Okay? So it comes in this box. And I'm going to open the box. Hopefully it gives me no problems. I'm hoping that I like this size planner because it'll be small enough to keep in my purse instead of my A5. And I'm going to just rip the box because I'm having difficulties. And I am charging my phone while I'm recording, so put that away. And this is it. Let's put that aside. Comes in a little planner pouch. And set this to the side. So this is the little fly leaf that comes with it. And there are options for having a fly leaf and not having a fly leaf. Some people like it for the card storage that you get in the protective case that it gives to the planner. But I wanted it, so I ordered the one with it. However, the ones without it, I think those are like $33. This one is more so $38. Alright, and this is the beauty. So I have the black and red one. It feels nice. It smells like, I don't know, it smells like a purse. But open it up. Oh, and it comes with inserts. Okay, so over here you got the zipper pouch over here. You can stick stuff in, probably a couple of stickers or something. And then it has this inside pouch that you could place things in. And it comes with some inserts. I think I'm gonna keep some of these in here, probably not all, because I've already ordered some planner inserts from Annie Plans Printables Etsy shop. I mean, not Etsy shop, her actual shop. And I printed those off so that they could go in here. I do sort of like these though, because it has the day already, like Monday through Sunday. That it has the date, and it could be like a list or something that I have to do. I don't know. I have to figure it out. But they give you a good amount. So you could see. I know my lighting gets a little off. I'm working on it. But they give you a good amount. Then you have this, which is sort of like the philo leaf for the cards. Then the pen pouch. I have to put one of my favorite pens in here. Ordering a Villa Beautiful pen just because they're so pretty, and they're really trendy. I'm liking the gem pens, and they look kind of cute, and everyone loves the way they write, so I'm gonna try it out. Then this comes with another pocket right here, and my favorite part about this is this pocket. So you can put your money in here, your cash envelopes, you could put just anything you want. I really like this pocket, and it's the same as like a Gillio or a VDS planner. I think that's what it is, VDS. But I really like that. I'm not sure if I'm going to try to switch out the rings, because as you see, the rings are pretty small. I've heard of people switching out to the 25mm rings. I might do that. I'm going to search on Facebook more and see if anyone has switched this out for the 30mm rings. If it could fit the 30, this would be perfect. But I do have my micro HP, which I keep inside of my wallet as well. So let me put this in here, and I'll be updating you. You can also follow me on Instagram at marcylife_plans. And I post my planners on there as well. That way you could keep up with new inserts and things that I printed off. But again, I'm liking it so far. It's pretty cute. Small, has my favorite pocket at the top, because I did not want to spend over $100 for the Gillio and not know if I like the size. But I'll keep you updated. But thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to the channel. Hit like on the video. Leave a comment if you want. And stay tuned.